Gusto niyo din bang maging pimple-free like me? From the makers of Snow Caps kaya siguradong effective. What's up, Martians? Welcome again to another video. And ang pag-uusapan natin today is all about acne or pimples. So, I don't really have much problems with pimples or acne. Although there was a time na nagkaroon din ako ng sobrang daming pimples like 3 to 4 years ago. So, akala ko katapusan na yun ng buhay ko. Pero, thank God na nawala siya kasi ano na tayo na yung sa akin that time is due to hormonal imbalance. Kaya, naglabasan siya bigla. Kasi ang dami-dami dito sa pisngi at saka dito sa chest area ko. Tapos, ang ginawa ko lang that time para mawala siya is uminom ako ng apple cider vinegar. Araw-araw yun kasi nakakapag-fix daw yun ng hormonal imbalance. And yeah, nawala nga siya. Pero sa panahon ngayon, ang hirap-hirap na maghanap ng apple cider vinegar na yun. Yung certain na ininom kong yun. So, buti na lang meron ng Acne Care. If you guys are not familiar with Acne Care yet, they are from the same makers of Snow Caps na glutathione. Meron din akong video nun. So, Snow Caps is still my number 1 glutathione as of today. So, kaya I'm sure na ang Acne Care ay sobrang effective din. So, ang product lines ng Acne Care is they have soap, dietary supplement, and a fast-acting drying acne lotion. Acne Care is 44% clinically proven na magbibigay sa inyo ng less acne in just 2 weeks. Yes, in just 2 weeks, imagine, mababawasan ng 44% ang inyong acne. And this is clinically proven, meaning tinest talaga nila ito. And they have testimonies dun sa Facebook page nila at saka sa Instagram account nila. I'll have their links in the description box. Just check them out. Also, pag-usapan natin yung soap. This one has biosulfur, tea tree oil, and ACE-B3. Yung tatlong yon ay nag-work as anti-acne for the face and the body. So, kagaya nga na sinabi ko kanina, nagkaroon ako ng pimples dito sa chest area. Kasi hindi lang naman talaga sa face. Minsan nga yung iba sa likod pa nagkakaroon, diba? So, good thing meron soap na pwede na kayong gamitin ngayon. Nung time na nagkaroon ako ng gano'n, wala pang ganito eh. So, talagang buti na lang meron ng ganito ngayon. So, kung may problems kayo sa pimples sa back or anywhere, just use their soap. And then, this one naman yung Acne Care na dietary supplement. This has lactoferrin, linum life, and zinc. These are anti-acne complex which works together to fight off acne from within. So, imagine niyo yung soap sa labas, pina-fight off na niya yung acne or yung pimples. And then, pag uminom pa kayo nito, from within pa. So, talagang matatalo ang pimples or ang acne, di ba? And then, yung Acne Care na acne drying lotion, this is fast-acting acne spot solution. So, for example, kung meron kayong importanteng date, lakad, meeting, or kung ano pa man, tapos bigla kayo nagkaroon ng pimple, let's say sa nose. So, gawin nyo, the night before ng lakad nyo is, i-apply nyo lang to using a cotton swab, or cotton, whatever. Tapos, lagyan nyo nito, tapos i-dab-dab nyo ganyan. Doon sa pimple nyo, let's say sa ilong nga. Then, let it dry overnight, tapos, sa the following morning, wash off with water. Then, makikita nyo may improvement na agad. So, ganun siya ka-fast acting talaga. Itong Acne Care Acne Drying Lotion. So, diba? Kompleto na. Wala na kayong dahilan para magkaroon ng ng pimples. Kasalanan na talaga kung nagka-pimples pa kayo. And according to sa page nila, this is available in Mercury drugstores, Watsons, and Southstar drugstores. But yung acne drying lotion, I think online pa lang siya available. Just ask them na lang like I said, I'll have their links in the description box. Acne Gear has been so generous na they sponsored this giveaway. So for this giveaway, I'm gonna have 2 winners. Each winner will receive 2 soaps, 1 bottle of dietary supplement, and 1 bottle of the Acne Care Acne Drying Lotion. Ayan. So, since malapit naman Thanksgiving, November 26 is Thanksgiving Day. So, in order for you to join, you need to tell me what are you thankful for. Of course, first, dapat subscribe kayo sa channel ko. Second, follow nyo yung Facebook page or Instagram page ng Acne Care. I'll have their links in the description box. And third, comment nyo sa comment box what are you thankful for. And then use the hashtag Acne Care and hashtag Pimples No More. Yun lang. Ako personally, I'm thankful dahil I've been blessed with good looks. Ay, hindi, kidding aside yan, sabi kasi sa church last Sunday, even good looks daw ay blessing from the Lord. So, yeah, we should be thankful na, yan, we are blessed with good looks. Kahit maraming kumontra, yun ang sa tingin ko eh. Kayo guys, what are you thankful for? And of course, I'm thankful dahil my health is getting better, and healthy tayo. Tapos may work ako, sa mga sponsors. I have a lot of things to be thankful for. So you guys, what are you thankful for? I wanna read your comments. So that's it for this video. Good luck, and thanks again for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye! Winners will be announced on December 12, 2015. Good luck, guys!